Hello viewers, today I have done palak dal which I am going to eat with roti. I am sharing the recipe of palak dal with you all today. Palak is spinach in English, palung shag in Bengali, and palak is palak in Hindi. Dal is the lentil I am using in this dish. I am using Bengal gram dal. So the ingredients that I am using are palak, that is spinach, 500 grams, 50 grams of lentil Bengal gram dal, 1 medium sized onion, 4 pods of garlic and 1 medium sized ginger stick. As you can see, I have chopped the spinach into small pieces. The onion is also cut into small pieces, and I have made ginger garlic paste. Now I am washing the dal 3-4 times with water. And I am soaking the dal for 1 hour in water. Now I have taken a wok or a kadai. I am putting oil, 4 tablespoons of oil. I am using refined oil, refined groundnut oil. And for tempering I am using 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, that is jeera. When the cumin seeds turn brown, I am adding 3 to 4 dry red chilies. I am putting the chopped onion pieces along with the ginger garlic paste. I have crushed the ginger and garlic. Now I have soaked the dal for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I have boiled the dal. I have boiled the spinach also. The dal and the spinach are boiled in the pressure cooker. After sauteing the mixture for a few seconds, I am adding the spices, salt to taste, a teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Again mixing the mixture. Now it's time to add the boiled spinach. Just giving a good mix. Now the boiled dal goes in. This is a very healthy recipe. The goodness of the spinach and dal are coming together. Now the dal should get cooked properly, so I am closing with this lid and allowing the dal to get cooked. I am adding a spoon of ghee for the flavor. Then mixing the ghee properly with the mixture. Again covering the mixture with a lid and allowing it to get cooked. The dal and the palak will take around 8 minutes to get cooked properly. It should be of a semi-solid consistency. The water should dry up. After 8 to 10 minutes, put off the flame. Plate the dal and palak and garnish with coriander leaves. We can eat this with rice, rotis, puris or naan. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.